Foodies, are you ready to spice up your kitchen and stay on track with your keto lifestyle? Today, we're diving into some delicious and easy-to-make keto recipes that will keep you satisfied, energized, and craving more. Whether you're a keto pro or just starting, these recipes are perfect for you. Let's get cooking. Our first recipe is a classic keto breakfast skillet, packed with healthy fats and protein. This dish is your perfect low-carb start to the day. Here's the magic. Sprinkle some shredded cheddar cheese, let it melt, and voila! A hearty, delicious breakfast ready in under 15 minutes. Next up, we're making zucchini noodle alfredo, a creamy, indulgent pasta alternative that's 100% keto-friendly. Pro tip: don't overcook the zoodles. You want them tender, not mushy. Comfort food without the carbs? Yes, please. For something light but packed with flavor, let's whip up an avocado chicken salad. This one's perfect for meal prep or a quick lunch on the go. Plus, look at those colors. Who said keto had to be boring? Trust me, this is a game changer. And there you have it, 3 easy, delicious keto recipes that'll keep you coming back for more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing recipes every week. Now, it's your turn to get in the kitchen. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're trying first. Before we wrap up, I've got a little bonus for you. Some quick tips to make your keto journey even easier. Spend an hour or 2 on the weekend prepping your meals. Chop veggies, cook proteins, and portion out snacks. You'll thank yourself all week. Keep essentials like almond flour, coconut oil, cheese, eggs, and low-carb veggies on hand. They're the foundation of so many amazing recipes. Staying hydrated is crucial in keto. Add a pinch of salt or sip on electrolyte drinks to stay balanced. And there you have it, keto cooking made simple, fun, and delicious. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's on their keto journey. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tasty recipe. And don't forget to drop a comment below with your favorite keto meal or any questions you'd like me to answer in future videos. Thanks for cooking with me today. Stay healthy, stay inspired, and I'll see you next time.